Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Archiving an email in Gmail moves it out of your main inbox view without actually deleting it from your account. These messages stay saved in your profile and continue to use up your precious Google storage space. To permanently delete these archived emails, you must first locate them in a specific area called the All Mail folder. Open Gmail on your computer browser and look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You might need to click on the word More to see every single one of your labels. Find and click on the label titled All Mail. This folder displays every single email in your account, including those in your inbox and those you have archived previously. To find only the archived messages, look for emails that do not have a gray inbox label next to their subject line. If you want to delete everything that is not currently sitting in your inbox, you can use the search bar at the top. Type in the specific command -inbox and press the Enter key. This search result shows only your archived mail. Click the empty checkbox at the top of the list to select all messages on the current page. If you have a lot of mail, click the blue text that says Select All Conversations. Once everything is selected, click the trash can icon to move them to the trash. Remember that these emails will stay in your trash for 30 days before they disappear forever. To clear them immediately, go to the trash folder and click Empty Trash Now.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.